Hey loves, I'm Selena. Welcome to my channel. I do thank you for clicking that button to see what this video is about. So today I have two gifts, right, which I have been longing to get my hands on. We have e.l.f. Power Grip Primers. The pink one is Power Grip Primer, which has 4% niacinamide in it. This is the pink one. I heard something about this pink one before. I don't know yet. Then we have Power Grip Primer, which has nothing on it, which is the blue one. I said to myself, is there a difference? Because one is pink and one is blue. And considering the fact that the pink one has niacinamide in it, I'm just curious as to, will they look different? So that's what I'm going to be doing today, testing just to see if I see a difference. I'm going to put one on one side, one on the other side, but I'm going to be using this Fit Me foundation in the shade 355. So be mindful, I won't be using anything, no eyeshadow, no lipstick, no any of that, like a no makeup look. Whatever that is, I don't know what that is. I'll find out though. So let's get started.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
So this is the pink side. This is the blue side. I don't see a difference, and I don't feel a difference. This side is sticky. This side feels just as sticky as the other side. Okay, so my conclusion, do you see a difference in the blue e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and the pink e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with niacinamide? I do not feel a difference. This is my review on if they are the same or if they have a difference. Let me know your thoughts or any tips you have, because I am a beginner when it comes to makeup. I am just experimenting, seeing what works for my skin. Thank you for watching, and until the next time.